in Dolby, you will feel like you are sitting in the room with these characters that we have all grown to love. Dolby Atmos changed the game in not only how we experience movies, but how we make them. It allows the audience to sit right in the middle of Peter's senses going completely berserk. If you watch that scene in a theater, you're going to feel exactly what Spider-Man feels. In Dolby Vision, you will get to see details that are specially created and experience exactly what the artists intended for you to experience.